In every person's life, there comes a moment when they begin to ponder how to find their true calling. We all strive to engage in something that brings pleasure, inspiration, and a sense of self-fulfillment. But how do you figure out what suits you best? How do you choose an activity that will bring joy and become a source of motivation? In this text, I will attempt to answer these questions and provide practical steps for discovering your favorite occupation. To understand what you like, it's important to start with self-reflection. Ask yourself, what brought me joy in childhood? What activities sparked my interest and excitement? Very often, the answer to this question lies in our childhood dreams. For example, if you enjoyed drawing or writing stories, that might be your path. The next step is evaluating your strengths and skills. Think about what you are genuinely good at, what tasks come easily to you and bring you satisfaction. These could be organizational abilities, creativity, a mathematical mindset, or excellent communication skills. Your strengths can hint at the area where you will feel comfortable and successful. To find an activity you love, try your hand at different fields, attend workshops, explore new hobbies, and participate in volunteer projects. Experiments will help you understand which activities truly captivate you and which do not. For example, if you've always been curious about learning to play the guitar, sign up for lessons and give yourself time to evaluate whether it suits you. It's important not to fear mistakes and failures. Not everything works out on the first try, but every attempt brings you closer to understanding what you want. If something doesn't resonate, that's also valuable experience, narrowing down your search. Our values are what drive us in life. When choosing an activity that will bring you joy, it's essential to consider your life priorities. For instance, if helping others is important to you, you might find fulfillment in social work or charity. If you value independence, consider freelancing or starting your own business. Create a list of your values and compare them to potential activities. This will help you identify pursuits that align with your inner world and do not contradict your beliefs. Sometimes your favorite activity is already close at hand, but you don't notice it. Think about what you do in your free time, what brings you pleasure and helps you escape daily routines. Perhaps you enjoy photography, cooking, or sports. Such hobbies can serve as a foundation for choosing a profession or a pastime that might grow into something more. For example, if you love reading books, consider writing your own stories or starting a book blog. If gardening excites you, explore landscaping or growing organic products. When choosing an activity you'll enjoy, it's crucial to consider your long-term goals. Imagine yourself in 5 to 10 years. What would you like to be doing? What lifestyle suits you? If your chosen activity helps you achieve these goals, it's a good sign. For instance, if you dream of traveling, think about professions that offer such opportunities, such as tourism or remote work. If you strive for stability, consider traditional jobs with predictable schedules and incomes. Sometimes our loved ones can help us discover our favorite activity. Ask friends or family to share their thoughts about your strengths and talents. Sometimes we overlook the obvious, while those around us see the potential we ignore. It's also important to find like-minded individuals and support communities. Interacting with people who share similar interests can inspire and help you make decisions. Finding your favorite activity isn't just about thinking, it's about acting. Even if you're unsure of your choice, start taking the first steps. Enroll in courses, try new things, and seek opportunities to implement your ideas. Active steps will help you understand better whether the chosen path suits you. Don't expect immediate results. Your favorite activity may require time, effort, and perseverance. But if you truly find what you love, this journey will bring you not only success, but also joy. Choosing an activity you'll enjoy is a process requiring self-analysis, experimentation, and courage. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and seek support. The main thing is to listen to yourself, consider your values and long-term goals. Remember, a favorite activity not only brings joy but also helps you realize your potential and make life more meaningful. So act, search, and enjoy the process. You're bound to find your calling. Thank you for watching.